How to hide your Facebook profile from public. If you're looking to make your Facebook profile more private and hide it from the public, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to lock down your Facebook account and make sure only people you trust can see your post and information. First, open up the Facebook app on your phone or go to facebook.com on your computer. Now, we'll start by going to your settings. Simply tap on your menu icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. From there, simply tap on Privacy Center. Now, we'll need to review some settings, so simply tap on Review Settings. Scroll down until you find an option that says Manage Audience Settings. Simply tap on it. Now let's review who can view our profile information. Simply tap on Profile Information first. Here, as you can see, I've chosen to only me, so that only me can watch the information of my profile. Now let's go to Post and Stories. Let's see who can choose to see my future posts. Simply tap on it. You can choose from friends accept, only me, custom, whatever you prefer. After you've chosen what to keep, simply click on Done. Next up, we have who can see our stories. Simply tap on it. From there, we have set it to friends. You can choose whichever you prefer. After you've chosen, simply click on Done. You can simply do that for all the settings. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully made your Facebook account much more private and protected from the public.